Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you this frosted Bahama yellow 2016 Aston Martin GT12. So this is a one-owner left-hand drive car that was supplied to the UK from new. Let's look at some of the details. So the first thing we need to have a look at is this colour in the sun. So frosted Bahama yellow. So Bahama yellow is that famous colour that was used on the Persuaders DBS, but here we've got some extra metallic element to it, which you might be able to pick up in the sun. It's just incredible the way this colour sparkles in the light. It really makes it vibrant and shows up all of the contours. So it's a special one-off colour for this vehicle, frosted Bahama yellow. Really stunning colour. Now this GT12's done just over 200 kilometers, so it is like new, and it's such a fantastic specification. Let's look at some of the details. So GT12, first of all, what makes it a remarkable car is that it has a wonderful naturally aspirated 6-litre V12, or technically 5.9, that puts out 600 brake horsepower. And it breathes through a titanium exhaust system, and it's got an exhaust note, well, like nothing else, frankly. The car makes a remarkable noise. Now, just coming down here, we can see some more details of the vehicle. So this car has been fully PPF protected, so it's like new, as you can imagine, but yeah, the whole of the bodywork's been protected, particularly when you look at some of this low carbon detailing, front carbon splitter there through to the side sills, all exposed in carbon. And then there's these beautiful wheels. So these wheels were an extremely expensive upgrade. They were an £18,000 option. This is the magnesium alloy wheel, but that saves about 8.5 kilograms all round, and they're centre lock as well. And you could probably make out that it's got the 6-pot monoblock brakes there. I mean, these are phenomenal brakes on this vehicle. Moving up around the car, carbon mirrors and the carbon roof, and also carbon door handles. Again, just look at the way that paintwork gleams in the sun. It's just incredible. And then more carbon at the rear. So the rear wing is carbon, as is the rear central tailgate panel and rear light inserts. And then lower down, you've got all of this incredible carbon detailing as well. You can see that splitter, and then this wonderful titanium exhaust at the back. Now, the extra downforce the GT12 enjoys over Advantage, at 160 kilometers an hour, 100 miles an hour, it's creating 7 times the downforce of a standard Vantage, so it's definitely not all for show. Through to the interior. Now, you'll have to excuse the sticker across the sills there. That's just to protect them, but underneath is a carbon kick seal. I'd say with the door panels all carbon, and I love these leather door pulls. They're just a lovely touch. So this grey blend looks fantastic in the car. And then with the contrast stitching GT12. So unique to the GT12 model is this all carbon central tunnel with the fixed nav screen, and it's actually the first car that got the updated infotainment system, the AMI2, which has DAB and various additional features and wireless music streaming, but it's actually a very good infotainment system. And then a beautiful Alcantara steering wheel there. I should also point out carbon paddles were an option. So there's so much carbon on this car, but it just looks superb. As you can imagine, again, condition wise, it's perfect. Cabin is stunning. looks like new, obviously smells like new. A really nice place to spend time, and those seats are incredibly comfortable. Interestingly, it is the full-on hardcore spec, so that is manual seat option, so again that saves weight. To the rear screen, that's polycarbonate. Again, that was an option, and that saves weight. I think that's saved just over 3 kilograms. And then to the boot, if I pop that open, so some nice goodies in the boot. This has got a lightweight lithium-ion battery, and the charger is there for it. Car cover that's all colour-coded, bespoke to the car. We have a build book here, and in amongst other goodies is a unique Aston Martin paint sample to go with this very special colour. So it's just lovely. It has absolutely everything there and more, so more than you'd normally get with an Aston. So there we have it, an absolutely immaculate GT12, one of 100 cars built for the world in an incredible specification. Now, should you wish to reserve this car online, or alternatively call us, we'd be happy to talk to you, and we can of course arrange contactless delivery for you. Thank you for watching.